Is Shopify worth it? In this video, I will show you why Shopify is the best e-commerce platform you can use to create your own Shopify store or for your own WooCommerce website, guys. Okay, as you can see that I am inside the members area of Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get access to 30 days free trial on Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify 30 days free trial. Now let me show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. You're gonna go here to product section, and a product section you can able to add your own product. Not only that, if you already have a store or a product, you can just click here to import. You can use the URL. It's gonna be imported here on Shopify. But now let me show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. Just click here on the add button, product. Then you will see this title here. Under title, you have to write the title of the product that you want to sell on Shopify. Then you're gonna go to the description. Under description, you have to write a product description so that your customers will read what the product is all about. But I like to use this AI feature from Shopify, which is gonna allow me to write any product description for me automatically. I'm gonna put some words there. I'm gonna put t-shirt for men. It can be t-shirt for young ladies, t-shirt for young men, any keyword here. This AI tool is gonna write content, is gonna write the product description based on the keywords that you put in here. As you can see that this AI tool, it is done writing content for me about my product description. I'm gonna keep it. Then you can go to media. Under media on Shopify, it allows me to upload images, not only images but videos that you can use here on a Shopify store. When you're done doing that, you can also go to category. Under category, you have to choose which category does your product that you're selling falls under which category. As you can see that there's entertainment, there is also business, there is also electronics, there is also pet suppliers. Those are the categories. There are so many categories. Then you can go to pricing. Under pricing on Shopify, you can put the price that you are willing to charge your customers for the product that you'll be selling here. Then for the cost per item, it means that how much it is costing you to buy this product in your supplier, and also it's gonna show you the profit and also the margins that you will be making. This is how easy and simple it is to upload your own Shopify products here. It is so easy, it is so simple, guys. Okay, then you can go to this save button. You can save this product here. Not only that, you can also go to collections. Under collections, you will see how many collections you have in your Shopify store. Is gonna be listed here. As you can see, I already have one. You can also create a collection there on Shopify. You can also go to customers. Under customers on Shopify, you can have enough data about your customers. You can see them, the details, and also the purchasing history of your customers. If you already have existing customers, you can just import them here. It's gonna import it here. It's gonna be uploaded here on Shopify. Then you can go to analytics. Under analytics on Shopify, it allows you to check on how your store it is performing. You can take a look at the total sales that you got today, the total sales that you got yesterday. All of those data, you can see them here. You can also go to the online store sessions, like how many visitors do you have in your store right now. You can also check the online store conversion rate, like how your store it is performing. You can also check the top. You can also check the total orders, the average order value. You can also check the top selling products in a Shopify store. If you are selling multiple products, you can also check them here to check which store it is getting the most orders, so that you can able to scale the right stores, guys. Okay, then you can also go to marketing. Under marketing, you can do email follow-ups on your Shopify on your customers. You can send done for you emails, automation emails to sell multiple products in your customers via through emails. You can do that. Then you can also go to discounts. You can create discount, especially on holidays. You can offer 10% discounts, 80% discounts, so that you can get more orders in your Shopify store. Okay, then you can also go to online themes. under online themes on Shopify, it allows you to get these done for you themes on Shopify that you can use them right away in a Shopify store. Take a look at these themes that you can use here, guys. If you are on a clothing brand, you can also use these themes, guys. Okay, you can put your own logos there. This is how, guys, you can use Shopify. In my own opinion, Shopify, this is worth it, guys. You can use it, guys. Okay, you can click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get 30 days free trial on Shopify. Take care, and may God bless you, shop, guys.